Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Study channel. In the last class, we have discussed about mathematical induction. We have already done so many problems. Today, we are going to start from question number 20. So, what is question number 20? Let's try to solve question number 20. That question number 20 is a very simple problem. 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. A2 proof koribo lage. So first of all, let's try question number 20. So question number 20 is let the given statement be P of n. Okay, আমি statement to P of n বুলি লৈছো. তো P of n such that तो स्टेटमेंट हमार की আছে মই আকৌ এবাৰ চাই লৈছো 10 to the power 2n minus 1 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 this is the given statement 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11 আমি এটো প্রুফ কৰিব লাগিব এই যে ইকুয়েশন আছে এটো কি 11 দ্বাৰা বিভাজ্য তো very simple for n equal to 1 তে n equal অনৰ বাবে is it true or false আমি চেক কৰিম যে p of n তো p of n equal to আমি লিখিম p of n equal to আমাৰ কি আছে এটো আমি লিখিম যে p of n such that তেতিয়ালে আমি 10 2 into n 1 minus 1 plus 1 तो यार वैल्यू तो किमान ওলাই আমি চাব লাগিব তো this is equal to 10 square that means 2 minus 1 is 1 तो 10 1 is 10 plus 1 so this is equal to 11 so 11 obviously 11 is divisible by 11 so which is divisible by 11 okay so therefore p of 1 this is not n sorry this is n so p of 1 is true so p of 1 to কি হৈছে হসা হৈছে let the statement be true for n equal to k তে আমি ধৰি লৈছো statement to n equal to k এর বাবে হসা যেহেতু স্টেটমেন্ট টু n equal k এর বাবে হসা তেতিয়ালে আমি কি লিখিব পাৰিম যে p of k such that এটো কি হৈ যাব 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 this is equal to 11 lambda suppose this is lambda what is lambda so why we write here lambda যে ইয়াত কি কৈছে this statement is true for n equal to k যদি n equal k এর বাবে স্টেটমেন্ট টু হসা হয় then this is divisible by 11 since it is divisible by 11 then it is can be written as by multiple of 11 so what is lambda is an any constant okay so this is equation number 1 step number 3 for n equal to k plus 1 এটি আমি চেক করি for n equal to k plus 1 so p of k plus 1 such that तो p of k plus 1 হলে ইয়াত যেহেতু আমার কি আছে 10 to the power আছে 2 k is replaced by n plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 তো আমি দেখাব লাগিব কি এটো কি 11 এর দ্বারা কি হ'ব ডিভিজিবল হ'ব তো আমি তো this implies this is equal to this can be written as 10 to the power if we multiply this then we get 2k plus 2 minus 1 okay plus 1 so this can be written as 10 to the power 2k minus 1 okay into 10 square plus 1 so this is equal to 10 to the power 2k तो 10 to the power 2k ইয়াত যদি আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা যদি ভ্যালুটো উলাই লও যে 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 equal to 11 lambda then 10 to the power 2k minus ইয়াৰ ভ্যালুটো কিমান হ'ব ইয়াৰ পৰা তো ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি ইয়াৰ ভ্যালুটো ওলাব পাৰিম যে 10 to the power 2k minus 1 ৰ ভ্যালু হ'ব 11 lambda minus 1 so in place of this we can write 11 lambda minus 1 into 10 square means 100 plus 1 if we multiply this with this then we get here 11 into 100 lambda okay this is 11 lambda sorry this is 11 lambda into 100 this is minus 100 plus 1 so this is equal to 11 lambda into 100 minus 99 taking common 11 from this two term then we get here 100 lambda minus 9 so since 11 is multiplying with this number so we can say that 11 is a multiple of this that means this is divisible by 11 so which is divisible by 11 which is divisible by 11 thus p of k plus 1 is true when p of k is true okay hence from the principle of mathematical induction PMI shortly today principle of mathematical induction given statement is true for the given statement is true for all natural number n যিকোনো ন্যাচারাল নাম্বাৰৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ব যিটো স্টেটমেন্ট আছে এই স্টেটমেন্টটো কি হ'ব ট্ৰু হ'ব now we are going to solve question number 21 question number 21 prove that x to the power 2n minus y to the power 2n is divisible by x plus y it is a very simple problem let the given statement be p of n that is p of n such that x to the power 2n minus y to the power 2n x to the power 2n minus y to the power 2n is divisible by x plus y so step bilak he agor nisinai কোনো problem নাই agor nisinai আমি problem bilak solve কৰিবৰ কাৰণে চেষ্টা কৰিম for n equal to 1 যেতিয়া n or value 1 হ'ব then p of 1 such that then এতিয়া খালি এই ইকুৱেশ্যন টো যত n আছে তাত আমি 1 পুট কৰিব লাগিব here just we put n by in place of n we put 1 only so this is x 2 is 2 and 1 minus y to the power 2 in place of n we put 1 so this is equal to x square minus y square it makes a formula if we break the formula then we get a square minus b square then a square minus b square formula everybody know x plus y whole into x minus 1 since x plus y is multiplying with x minus y then we say that this is must be divisible by x plus y so which is divisible by x plus y very simple therefore p of 1 is true p of 1 true स्टेप नंबर 2 কি আছিলে আমাৰ মনত পেলাব লাগিব যে স্টেপ নম্বৰ 2 আছিলে let the given statement be true for n equal to k যে আমি ধৰি ল'ব লাগিব যে যিটো স্টেটমেন্ট আছে এটো n equal k ৰ বাবে সঁচা since it is true for n equal to k so this can be written as p of k such that x to the power 2k minus y to the power 2k equal to x plus y into some constant যেহেতু ইয়াত কৈছে এটো কি কৈছিলে যে এটো কি divisible by x plus y তো যেহেতু since for n equal to k this statement is true that means this statement is divisible by x plus y then this can be written as this is equal to x plus y whole into lambda. Okay, now step number 3 for n equal to k plus 1 so n equal to the k plus 1 hoy for n equal to k plus 1 this is equal to p of k plus 1 such that তেতিয়া হলে x to the power 2 whole into k plus 1 minus y to the power 2 whole into k plus 1 so this is equal to ইয়াক যদি আমি অলপ modify কৰো then this can be written as x to the power 2k into x2 that means x squared minus this can be written as y to the power 2k into y squared. So this implies that this is equal to এটুৰ পৰা আমি যদি x to the power 2k এর ভ্যালু কিনি ইয়াত পুট কৰি দিও কোৰ পৰা পুট কৰিম যে x to the power 2k এর ভ্যালু আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা উলিয়াব পাৰিম যে this is equal to this then this implies that x to the power 2k x to the power 2k equal to what x to the power 2k equal to x plus y into lambda and if we change the sign then this is plus y to the power 2k তো ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি এই ভ্যালুটো x to the power k to ইয়াৰ পৰা নাইকিয়া কৰি দিম তো নাইকিয়া কৰিলে ইয়াত আমাৰ কি থাকিব in place of x to the power 2k we can write here x plus y into lambda plus y to the power 2k. So in place of this we can write this and this is multiplying with what x square so right here x square and this is minus y 2k into y square. So this is equal to if we multiply this with this then we get here x plus y into lambda into x square okay plus this is multiplying with this then we get y to the power 2k into x squared minus y to the power 2k into y squared. So this is equal to x plus y whole into lambda into x squared plus taking common y to the power 2k from the last two term if we taking common y to the power 2k from last two term then here remaining is x squared minus y squared. So this is equal to x plus y whole into lambda into x squared plus y to the power 2k. If we break the formula then we get here x plus y whole into x minus y. Now taking common x plus y now taking common x plus y from the given term if we taking common x plus y then remaining is here is lambda x squared plus y to the power 2k whole into x minus y etc. Okay, this is equal to this. So since here x plus y is multiplying with this so we can say that this term must be divisible by x plus y which is divisible by x plus y. Thus p of k plus 1 is true when P of k is true. Hence, from the principle of mathematical induction, the statement P and B true for all natural number. Okay. Now we are going to solve. There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 question is remaining in the chapter. So I have done only one question. So last question. Now we are going to solve question number 23. This is the last question of this chapter. So solution. Let the given statement be P of n. So P of n such that, so what is statement? The 41 to the power n minus 14 to the power n is a multiple of 27. 41 to the power n minus 14n to the power 14 to the power n is a multiple of 27. তো কাহিনী হে আগৰ নিচিনাই কাহিনীটো আমি কৰিব লাগিব তো কাহিনীটো কি আছিল আমাৰ for n equal to 1 যে for n equal to 1 এতিয়া আমি ইয়াত n ৰ ঠাইত 1 বহাই চেক কৰি it is divisible by 27 or not. So for n equal to 1 p of 1 such that 41 to the power 1 minus 14 to the power 1, this is equal to 41 minus 14. If we subtract 41 from 14, then we get 27, and 27 is a multiple of 27. So which is a multiple of 27. Hence P of 1 is 2. তেতিয়াহ'লে P of 1 to কি হৈ গ'ল আমাৰ 2 হৈ গ'ল এতিয়া আমি for let the statement be true for n equal to k. আমি লৈছো এই স্টেটমেন্টটো n equal k এর বাবে সঁচা then P of k such that 41 to the power k minus 14 to the power k, this is equal to, since it is a multiple of 27, so this can be written as 27 into something constant which is for lambda. Okay, suppose this is equation number 1. আমি equation number 1 লিখি দিছো হয়তো আমাৰ ইটো কিতেবা কামত আহিব পাৰে for তো step number 3 টো আমি কৰিম for n equal to k plus 1. যেতিয়া n equal to k plus 1, then P of k plus 1 such that 41 to the power k plus 1, okay, minus 14 to the power k plus 1. So this is equal to, this can be written as 41 to the power k into 41 minus this can be written as 14 to the power k into 40. So this is equal to, in place of 14 to the power k, that in equation 1, if we calculate this, then 41 to the power k is equal to 27 lambda plus 14 to the power k. This can be written as in this way also. So in place of 41 to the power k, we write 27 lambda plus, we write here 27 lambda plus 14 to the power k. This is into 41, into what? 41. Okay, this is minus 14 to the power k into 40 equal to, if we multiply with this, then we get 27 lambda into 41 plus 14 to the power k into 41 minus 14 to the power k into 40. So this is equal to 27 lambda into 41. If we are taking common 14 to the power k, then here is 41 minus 40. So this is equal to 27 lambda into 41 plus 14 to the power k into 41 minus 14 is 27. Now taking common 27 of these two terms, then remaining is 41 lambda plus 14 to the power k. So it is a multiple of 27, so it should be multiple of 27 because 27 is multiplying with this number. So which is a multiple, which is a multiple of 27, which is a multiple of 27. Okay, thus P of k plus 1 is true when P of k is true. সেই কাহিনীখিনি আমি আকৌ লিখিব লাগিব। Hence from the principle of mathematical induction, the given statement P of n is true for all natural number n. এই স্টেটমেন্টটো কি হ'ব? সকলো ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার n ৰ বাবে কি হ'ব? ট্ৰু হ'ব। তো থ্যাংক ইউ।